Hi all, Adam from Nurture Digital, and today I'd like to give you a brief introduction to chatbots. So what is a chatbot? Well, a chatbot is essentially a computer program that simulates conversations. In other words, a bot is nothing more than a piece of software that performs automated tasks designed to communicate with people in a format similar to instant messaging. When asked a question, a chatbot will respond based on the information available to it in its database. And if the conversation presents a notion that it doesn't understand, it will either then redirect the conversation or possibly pass it to a human operator. Whichever way it goes though, it will learn from that contact and save that knowledge for future conversations. So they get smarter and better every day. Now that's a pretty simple definition, but because chatbots can do so much, we'll leave it there just for the moment, so we can talk about the three main types of chatbots there are. The first type is rule-based chatbots. Now they are the simplest type of bots around today. People interact with them by clicking buttons and using predefined options. Now in order to give the right answers, these chatbots need people to answer a number of questions, which ultimately results in a longer journey. But these bots are amazing when it comes to qualifying leads. They ask the questions, people answer them with the offered buttons, and the bot then evaluates the data and gives a reply. But for more advanced setups with numerous conditions or aspects, they aren't always the best solution. So then you have intellectually independent chatbots, which use machine learning. Machine learning is the ability of the software to learn by itself, to recognize patterns and to make decisions with nominal human intrusion. Intellectually independent chatbots are trained to comprehend specific words and phrases that trigger its reply. And over time, they continue to train themselves to understand more and more questions, and so they learn from experience. For example, if you wrote, "I can't log into my account," the bot would recognize the words can't, log, and account and be able to provide a predefined answer based on these. And then you have AI-powered chatbots, which combine the best parts of both the rule-based and the intellectually independent ones. AI is an imitation of human intelligence. And AI is the area of computer science that focuses on creating intelligent machines that work and think like people. AI bots can comprehend free language, but they also follow a predefined flow to make sure that they're answering the questions. But they can also recall the context of the discussion being had as well as the user's preferences, and can move from scenario to scenario when required and just answer random requests at any time. AI chatbots use a combination of machine learning and natural language processing to understand what's being asked. NLP is the capability of the program to analyse and understand speech, find a correct response, and reply in a natural language pattern. The goal of NLP is to make communication between machines and people feel just like communication between people and people. So what can chatbots do? Well, they can deliver marketing, they can make sales, they can do a lot of customer service. For example, marketing. Your messenger chatbot might send a drip campaign to 22,000 users automatically. As the users respond, your chatbot segments them into specific groups based on demographics, responses, and how much they spend on whatever it is you sell each month. I mean, there's no limits on what they can do. Then, from a sales perspective, the chatbot might ping all of those customers 24 hours after their interaction to remind them of the offer, invite them for a chat, provide another offer. And then from a service perspective, once you've got the customer or a potential customer, the chatbot can then answer many variations of customer service questions such as, where is my order? How much does it cost? When will it arrive? What are your trading hours? Can I get directions to your store? So that's chatbots in a nutshell. They are crucial for business success nowadays because they can provide individual connections to an unlimited number of users. They can automate routine tasks and facilitate superior customer care. They can make money and they can save money. Chatbots are kind of the magical unicorns of the customer journey. I hope this has helped, and I'll see you next time.